Hi everyone, my name is Philip. I hope that you're doing well. Today I will guide you to the registration process for the francisation courses. They are offered on Francisation Québec and the platform Apprendre le français. Before to start, be sure that you have access to a computer or your mobile phone to complete the application. Also, unfortunately, there is no longer financial aid available for the part-time courses. Therefore, you do not need to provide any documents for this, even it is mentioned on the website. How to register? I will be able to guide you step by step. I will do the beginning with you, so you will be able to follow with me until the end. So first step, you need to open your browser. So take the time to open it on your computer or your mobile phone. So when it's done, you need to search apprendre le français. Like that. You need to push enter. And there is many link you can see, and you need to take this one. It's Gouvernement du Québec, Québec Government, and you select apprendre le français. You can see it's in French. The website is in French. You can keep it in French if you want, or you can change it in English in the right corner here. After you just scroll down a little bit and you will choose part-time courses. Then you will select find out more about part-time courses. You will select part-time French courses for immigrants. If we continue, you will select applying for admission. You can see some information providing. You can take the time to read it. It can be useful for you. So take the time to read all this information. It's not too long. And you go at the end of the page and you will select access the admission platform. You select it. Bienvenue à Francisation Québec. So now you are on the Arima website, on the Francisation Québec website. You can see there are 4 options. You need to choose the first one. The first one is the one with the right one for your situation. Cours de français à temps partiel pour les personnes immigrantes et canadiennes de naissance. So you select the first one. If you have already an account, you can provide your email address, your password, and you can log in your account. If it's not your case, you need to create an account. So probably that is your situation. So you will select créer un compte. Create an account. They ask you to provide your email address. So you write your email address. I will make an example for you. So you will be able to follow with me. So you write your email address. And When it's done, you will select Demander un code de vérification. You will receive a verification code. So you select one and you go see in your email. I will go see in mine too. And you're supposed to receive an email with the verification code. Here we go. So I will copy the code in my Gmails and I will go back in Arima. So I will paste the code and you select valider the code. Valider the code. Then you need to choose a password. To create a strong password, you must have between 8 and 16 letters. You must have at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, or one special character. So take the time to think to your password, and after you can write your password once and you will confirm again. When it's done, you will select m'inscrire. You can use Google Translate to read the condition to use your profile account. Can be a good idea to do it. And when it's done, you select check 2 times and you select suivant, continue. So you are almost finished. You are at the last step. You need to provide some information about you. So first information, you need to provide your last name. I will make an example for you. And the second one is the first name. So my first name. I will select my gender, masculine. I need to provide my birth date. You begin with the year, the month, and the day. You need to choose your city of birth. Yeah, city of birth. If it's in the list, I will select. I think it's the country. Yeah, country of birth here, and you need to write the city of birth here. So, city of birth first, and country of birth here. That's your email address here. So when it's done, so you have write your last name, first name, the gender, your birth date, the city of birth, the country of birth, and confirmation of your email address. You click on suivant, continue. You need also to provide your complete address here in Canada. So you need to begin with the civic number and the name of street. You select after the country. Now you are in Canada. The province, we are in the Quebec province. The city, it depends in which city you live. Code postal is zip code, so you need to provide your zip code. And you need to have a little space between here, it's important, between the three first character and the three last character. You will provide your phone number. You can choose, that's your home, the phone number to your home, or you can only provide your cell phone number. So I will write only my cell phone number, or you can also put your phone number to your work, but only one it's necessary. So when it's done, you have already complete your complete address here in Canada. You have provide your one phone number. You will select créer mon profil, create my profile. So congratulations, you have complete with success to create your Arima profile. So for now, LeBonJack team will help you for the next step. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can always ask to your LeBonJack agent. Thank you for your listening. I hope that this video was very useful for you. Have a good day. Thank you.